having so much difficulty, and I can see it right there. It's just buffering right now and was just spinning. So no matter what I tried here, it didn't work. But I don't stop trying, folks. That's one thing about me. I don't quit trying. I'm never going to quit trying, folks. And I'll try to always make this a better experience for you guys, even though I fail. That's life is a series of failures, folks, and obstacles that we have to overcome, right? So there you go. I'll just leave it at that. For today, I guess you're just going to have to watch the narrow stream instead of the wide, or just listen to me audio on the wide. I don't know what to tell you. But at any rate, folks, taking a look at Sofi now, making a nice little run. And I believe it certainly is time to sell some shares here. I'm up $422 right now since I opened the position. You can see that right up at the top. And I like to start selling when I'm up 500, folks. And I mean, it's usually a good profit point to say, hey, man, I made $500. Let's just take it off the top. Don't be greedy, folks, because when you become greedy, you'll become needy. It's as simple as that. Greed, need. Just put those two words together and remember that. Greed, need. All right? Nobody needs greed, but if you get greedy, you'll become needy. All right. I can see right now that since we started trading with this account 1 week and 2 days ago, we've made $2,500, a 25% gain during this last week. And that's not bad. Trading with $10,000, and we're up $2,500 this week. And it's been a tumultuous week indeed. It has not been easy. One thing I'm noticing here about this stream is that the stream on the widescreen doesn't work worth the crap, but the advertisement came across perfectly. The ad that I just saw has flawless, without a single flaw in it, without a glitch or glitter. The ad ran perfectly. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're approaching my sell point here, okay? Because I'm almost up 500. And we're getting there quickly on Sofi, so I'll bank some cashola today on Sofi here. And I can assure you, ladies and gentlemen, however, the Sofi's not going to trade in an 18-cent range. It isn't going to happen today. Sofi's not going to trade in an 18-cent range. So from this $11, it's probably going to go down to $10.13. And I'm not kidding, folks, because it's going to move $1 today, up and down. So be ready, all right? So be ready to sell up here. And I'm going to put in some 10 share orders. I'm going to put some 10 share orders in here, and I'm going to start making $110 per minute. Okay? So here we go. Adios. And I'm going to make these sell orders, folks. And I want you to know something. As a general rule, I'll put my sell orders in, believe it or not, at odd numbers. Okay? As a general rule, I'll put my sell orders in at odd numbers. And I'm watching the widescreen. It's just buffering up there. It is horrible. So I don't know. I might just stop the streaming on the widescreen because I see this is not working. I don't know how anybody's even still there listening to it. I don't know if that there is actually. But get on over to the narrow stream, folks, today, because it looks like wide's not doing well. And ladies and gentlemen, I'm currently up now, starting to sell Sofi 10 shares at a time. And you're going to see how much I end up making on Sofi today. It's not going to be a ton of money, but I'm up 10% right now, basically, from where I bought yesterday. So 15% and approaching 20. So you guys, 10:08 was yesterday. I told everyone to buy. 10:08 was where I told everyone to buy, or that might have been day before yesterday. Yeah, 10:08, and look at it. It's almost at 11:08, a dollar higher. All right, I bought this stock 96 cents lower than where it is right now, just the other day. You guys know that. And how do you like that they went right up to my number, 11:03, where my sell order was, but my little dinky 10-share order didn't sell off. Right at my number that I put, 11:03, 10 frickin' shares wouldn't sell. You want to know why? Because they're only using sometimes when they manipulate 1 share at a time. I didn't even fill a 10-share order there, folks, at 11:03, the number that I thought I could get out at. And I also want to take a quick look over here, ladies and gentlemen, at some other stocks. So let's look at SOUN. And holy smokes, ladies and gentlemen, it's at the high of the day, so I'm going to sell it right now. I've got 510 shares. I'm going to sell 50 right now. Sell at market. And I'm out. Send that in. And by the way, you always want to sell, folks, at 30, 31, 32, 33. You want to sell there, folks. This is a very good number to sell. All right? This is very common to stop it right here, folks. They'll stop it here. So I'm telling you, and they'll pull it back. They'll pull it back big time. And so I'm going to start making my moves out right here. I know what they'll do here from the 30. And so I'm telling you about it. So this is a good place to sell right here, okay? Sell here. That's what I'm saying. Sell at the 30, 31, 32, 33. This is on my sheet. This is on my sell sheet, everyone. And you know these numbers are on my sell sheet. 30, 31, 32, 33. You've got to sell there, folks. And then come up here, and even the next number is going to be 36. Don't even worry about the 34 or 35. But you have to sell at these numbers, folks. You just have to. And I just did. And I'm going to sell here. See, they're already walking it down from there. They're already taking it down. Now I'm selling at the 23. I'm 7 cents lower. And to be honest with you, I really ought to be buying there because that's my dollar cost average, and they play off my average every day. You guys know that. I should be buying there instead of selling there. Yep. They just bounced it right off my dollar cost average again right then. Boom. They're now back up. 6 cents washout right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Boom. Right to my number. But I'm going to sell these up here too. I'm just going to keep them up there. Every once in a while, they'll go ding. You said, yeah, you just sold sown again. But I tell you, folks, you got to sell at that 30. This is always a sell and pullback number from the 30 right there. You guys know that. You guys have seen this number on my buy-sell sheet. Right? These are my buy-sell numbers right here, folks. And one of the things you'll see on this sheet is look at that fourth line from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sell 130, 131, 32, 33. And don't pay attention to the ones here that are on this. It could be $4. It could be $7. It could be $9.